Welcome back to Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting drones on the horizon, the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. Over the past few months, this compact drone has sparked countless discussions, mixed reactions, and a fair bit of confusion. Earlier leaks left many of us feeling uncertain, but recent updates are painting a much clearer and far more promising picture. It's starting to look like DJI is poised to deliver something truly special with this next-generation flyer. Let's take a quick look back. When the first glimpses of the DJI Mini 5 Pro hit the internet, a lot of drone enthusiasts were disappointed. The early leaks showcased a design that felt oddly bulky, especially with large, unattractive propeller guards that didn't match the sleek, agile profile we've come to love from DJI's Mini lineup. Instead of the compact elegance we've come to expect, the drone appeared clumsy and overprotected, raising concerns about its portability and aesthetic appeal. However, not everything was as it seemed. Alongside those initial leaks, a low-resolution video surfaced on social media, showing what appeared to be the Mini 5 Pro in action, but this version lacked the oversized guards. This sparked curiosity. Was DJI really moving forward with that clunky design? Or were the images just prototypes that wouldn't make it to the final release? The drone community was split. Some argued it was the finished product, others held out hope that DJI had something better up their sleeve. Thankfully, more recent footage has given us solid answers, shared by a well-known drone enthusiast. A new video has provided a much clearer look at the Mini 5 Pro in the real world. In the clip, the drone can be seen resting on the ground, looking much closer to what we'd expect: a clean, compact design without the unnecessary bulk. The signature folding propellers remain, keeping the drone easy to transport, whether you're heading out for a mountain adventure or packing light for a travel shoot. What's even more exciting is that this updated look hints at significant hardware improvements. The drone appears to feature more powerful motors, possibly with additional cooling vents for better heat management and performance. This could translate to increased stability and improved handling, even in slightly windy conditions. DJI seems to be focusing on refining the features that drone users actually care about, rather than introducing flashy but unnecessary changes. Now, let's talk about the release date, the detail everyone has been waiting for. According to the latest insider reports, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is expected to officially launch on August 7, 2025. What's surprising is that this is happening earlier than most people initially predicted. With only a short time remaining until the launch, anticipation is quickly building, and it's shaping up to be one of DJI's biggest releases this year. With the major design concerns seemingly resolved and the launch just around the corner, let's break down some of the most exciting features we expect to see on the DJI Mini 5 Pro. Lightweight build. Staying under 250 grams, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to remain in the sub-250-gram category, continuing DJI's tradition of creating lightweight drones that are easy to fly and carry. Why does this matter? In many countries, drones under 250 grams face fewer flying restrictions, meaning you can typically fly without registering or acquiring special licenses. This weight also makes it an excellent choice for travelers and hobbyists who want to explore the skies without complicated legal hurdles. Camera upgrade. Bigger sensor for stunning shots. And of the standout upgrades is expected to be the new camera system. Unlike the previous model's smaller sensor, the Mini 5 Pro is rumored to feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor, a major step up that could significantly boost image quality. A larger sensor typically means better performance in low-light settings, richer colors, improved dynamic range, and sharper detail. Whether you're capturing early morning landscapes or golden hour adventures, this drone promises to deliver beautiful, professional-looking footage. Advanced obstacle avoidance. Potential LiDAR integration. Here's where things get particularly exciting. There's growing speculation that the Mini 5 Pro could feature LiDAR-assisted obstacle detection. For a drone this compact, LiDAR would be a groundbreaking addition, offering precision obstacle avoidance and improved safety during autonomous flights. Some sources even hint at the possibility of near-complete environmental sensing, which would make the Mini 5 Pro one of the smartest drones of its size. Extended flight range. Freedom to explore. Its new model is also expected to push the limits of transmission distance. Early whispers suggest that the Mini 5 Pro could achieve a transmission range of up to 25 kilometers, a significant leap over its predecessor. A longer range not only expands your flight options but also provides a more stable connection, which is especially important when filming complex or distant scenes. Smarter tracking. Perfect for outdoor adventures. For outdoor enthusiasts, vloggers, and solo content creators, the Mini 5 Pro is shaping up to be a game changer. Reports indicate that the drone's intelligent tracking modes will receive a substantial upgrade. Improved AI will likely allow the drone to follow moving subjects with greater accuracy, while automatically adjusting the camera's position for smooth, cinematic footage. Imagine mountain biking, hiking, or exploring new terrain with a drone that reliably tracks your movements without manual control. Impressive battery life. More flight time than ever. Battery performance is always a crucial factor for drones. It seems the Mini 5 Pro will set a new standard in this area. Rumors suggest the drone could offer up to 50 minutes of flight time per charge, powered by a larger 4680 mAh battery. This would represent a significant increase over previous Mini drones. Even better, the addition of fast charging support, potentially up to 65 West, means less downtime between flights, enhanced flight performance, stability, and quiet operation. Beyond the expected power and efficiency upgrades, the Mini 5 Pro's design improvements suggest quieter, more stable flights, even in environments with mild wind. The redesigned motor system and improved cooling should help the drone maintain consistent performance. Whether you're flying over city rooftops, through dense forest, or along coastal cliffs, additional features and possible accessories. While many details remain under wraps, there are strong rumors about further improvements. These might include upgraded video transmission technology for clear live feeds at long distances, enhanced HDR video options with support for higher frame rates, possible new remote controllers with built-in screens or improved signal reliability, intelligent shooting modes for creative shots like automatic panoramas, dynamic orbiting, and hyperlapse sequences with smoother transitions. There's also talk of DJI introducing new modular accessories alongside the Mini 5 Pro. Potential add-ons could include clip-on ND filters, advanced landing gear, and possibly optional propeller guards for users who still want that extra layer of safety. Final thoughts: the DJI Mini 5 Pro is quickly shaping up to be one of the most exciting compact drones in recent memory. The concerns about the strange early design seem to have been put to rest, and what we're seeing now is a return to the streamlined, portable style that drone pilots appreciate. From its lightweight frame and upgraded camera to its rumored LiDAR capabilities, extended flight range, and smart tracking modes, this drone could set a new benchmark for aerial photography on the go. The confirmed August 7th, 2025 release date has the entire drone community eagerly counting down the days. Whether you're a drone veteran, a passionate traveler, or someone looking to capture breathtaking visuals from above, the Mini 5 Pro looks like it could be the perfect companion. Until next time, fly high, stay safe, and always keep exploring. Peace.